Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Boy, it's been a long time since I've done a video. I'm here today to share, or I'm here to do a video response and a project share for a good friend. And I'm adjusting my camera, I'm sorry. For a good friend, Justine Stone, who's Justine Stone here on YouTube. She's having a challenge, and it is Camp Kangaroo Gift from the Heart, two altered composition books for children and young adults who have lost a parent or lost a loved one. And I love doing this every year for Justine. I think I don't know how many years I've been doing this, but I just love it. And it's such a good cause. And since this is so dear to my heart, that I do it every year. So this year I did 4 composition books. And I don't know, every year I always try to do something different. But I don't know. I'm not sure if this counts as being different. But anyway, this first composition book is a boy, obviously, with you know, a spaceship and a robot. And I love this. It's like almost looks like a denim striped paper. And I did both sides of the composition book. And then inside I have this bookmark, and there's a pocket that goes this side and a pocket that goes on this side. And I think somebody on Justine's channel did this pocket, and I loved it, and I'm wrapping it. But I don't know who had this idea. I'm sure, and I want to give her credit because I thought it was just a brilliant idea, because she can, you know, put the, you know, other things here, and you know, the bookmark here. I just thought it was a brilliant idea. And I did that for both sides, and I should have made another tag here, but I have to trim that off. Good thing I took it out. I had already wrapped this up ready to go for Justine, and I'm like, oh my god, I forgot the video. So that's one of them. So she wanted 2 composition books, one for a boy, one for a girl, with no words on it, like inspire, dream, inspire, hope, things like that for inspiration. So my second composition book is this book, and I used paper from Michael's that I did a tag flip swap for. I found my cards. This is a Mother's Day card from Dollar Tree. I finally found them. I was searching and searching for this forever, and I finally found it. And I love the purple background, and there's some like iridescent gems that I added to the stars. I added some lace on the top because I did a boo-boo. So that's how I covered it up. So I did that to the front, and then inside I have this with one of my little stamped out unicorns, and I did the same thing to this one with the tag going this way. I'm going to leave it like that so she knows. And then I also did it on this side, and I'm going to have to do another tag. But so that's my other one. And then I kind of was going through my paper stash, and I found this paper, and I just love this paper for a girl. And it does have words on it, but it's not the kind of words that, it's playful words. And it has like sugar and frosting and delicious and yummy and cupcake and, you know, just cutesy stuff. So I thought that was really cute for a girl. I covered the spine with some lace. And this lace here had these holes that you would run some ribbon through, and I had this iridescent, sorry, iridescent ribbon that I added this really cute pearl, not pearl, but flower bead from my stash. So it ran all the way up, and then on the top here I have like, it's almost like a bookmark for the composition book. And what I did was, so it's like a bookmark for the composition book, and I have a little bead at the end for her. And then inside I just had this side pocket and a really simple bookmark and with some lace and ribbon from my stash. So, and then this side has a pocket as well. So that's another composition book. And my last composition book is Mickey Mouse, and it does have words on it, but it's nothing I think is gonna, you know, I think it's okay. And then I use this, it's like a felt paper that I've had for many, many years, and I've used it on some composition books I've done for Justine in the past, but I thought this, you know, this is black and white paper, and I thought this black velvety paper I got at a local scrapbook store here. I don't even know if they still sell these, but it's very nice and I love it. And it goes in the back. And then inside I have another bookmark, and here's a side pocket. And then also in the back here I did a side pocket as well. And usually I do 2 tags, but I don't know why I didn't do 2 tags. I ran out of time or something. But I love the ribbons that I chose for the tag, and I'm just leaving it like that. And that's my 4th composition book. In addition to that, I've enclosed some goodies for Justine, but I do want to share one thing that I made for her. Now, I bought a whole bunch of teeny tiny composition books, and it's for a challenge that I'm doing, and I figured, oh my gosh, I should make Justine a composition book, and I altered one for her, and this is what I created. I'm making it a composition notebook charm. She could put it anywhere she wants, and I covered it. This is the paper I covered with, I think it's a graphic 45 paper. I'm not sure. I think it was the botanical paper, and I layered it with some lace, and I tied this teeny tiny bow. I thought that was so cute. And then my good friend Nida, who's Nida's Creations here on YouTube, I was crafting with her, I think it was yesterday morning, and she gave me this idea for the, you know, to attach a, I don't know what they call this, but these are from fishing lures, fishing lines. And it's tiny enough that it fit perfectly, and I made a little dangle for her to go with this little tiny book, and I think it's so cute, and appropriate because she does this composition book every year. And see how this is a really cool book. And she could, you know, I don't know. I think it's just really cute and she can, you know, do whatever she wants with this. And I thought it was a cute idea to make a little charm for her. So that is my projects for Justine Stone's Gift from the Heart challenge. You still have time. I think it's not until November 9th is when she needs these books in her hands, and she'll be delivering them to Camp Kangaroo, I believe, or is that the organization? I'm not sure. But so go ahead. I'm going to link her channel down below so you guys can go check her out. She's an awesome, awesome crafter. And this is such a great cause, guys. I think I love this time of year where we give back to people in need. So I'm up for anything. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great morning, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.